Hello, I'm Coach Strong, the official English voice for Vietnam for TTAVonline.net. And today's headline, China gold demand growing at an explosive pace, says ICBC. Demand in China for physical gold and gold-related investments is growing at an explosive pace, and its appetite for the yellow metal is poised to remain robust amid inflation concerns, said the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China executive Zhao Ming. ICBC, the world's largest bank by market value, sold about 7 tons of physical gold in January this year, nearly half of the 15 bullion sold all of 2010. Zhao Ming, deputy head of the bank's precious metals department, on Wednesday said, "We are seeing explosive demand for gold as the Chinese get wealthy. They look to diversify their investments, and gold stands out as a good hedge against inflation. There is also a frantic demand for non-physical gold investments. We issued 1 billion yuan worth of gold price-linked term deposits in 2010, but we managed to sell the same amount over just a few days of January in this year." Zhao said, adding that such deposits would easily exceed the 5 billion yuan this year. Gold inputs into China soared in 2010, turning the country, already the largest bullion miner, into a major overseas buyer for the first time. The surge, which comes as Chinese investors look for insurance against rising inflation and currency appreciation, puts the country on track to overtake India as a world top gold consumer and a significant force in global gold prices. Gold prices jumped 30% in 2010 and stuck at an all-time high of $1,430. Zhao stated, "Unlike the property market, the investment in the gold sector is something the government is encouraging. Beijing has encouraged retail consumption and announced last August measures to promote and regulate the local gold market, including expanding number of banks allowed to import bullion." The ICBC executives also said, "China has centuries-long cultural attraction to gold because we have stated such a low base. I think the demand growth will likely stay strong for quite some time." End quote. There is also voracious demand for silver, with the bank selling about 13 tons of physical silver in January alone, compared to the 33 tons sold in the whole 2010. The scale of China's gold demand, which has increased on average at a double-digit shift over the past decade, has caught the market by surprise. Data showed China imported 209 tons of gold the first 10 months of last year, versus the 333 tons by India for the whole year. The bank said on Tuesday launched its second physical gold investment product, which sells gold bars to investors, which can be resold for cash through the ICBC based on real-time gold prices. The WGC said ICBC's introduction of this gold investment could lift China's gold retail investment by 10 to 15% in 2011 from about 170 tons last year.